The SleepTight mouthpiece is an FDA-cleared boil and bite mouthpiece designed to reduce snoring. SleepTight mouthpiece works by preventing tissue vibration while you sleep. The mouthpiece gently holds your jaw and tongue forward to open your airway, eliminating the vibration which causes snoring. It's an easy-to-use and affordable solution which contains no latex or BPA. The SleepTight mouthpiece is FDA cleared. It was designed by a dentist in the USA and is made in the UK. The SleepTight mouthpiece has helped thousands of people around the world reduce their snoring and is recommended by dentists and physicians. The SleepTight mouthpiece comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. SleepTight mouthpiece. Sleep tight tonight.